Check out this Instagram influencer with 2.5 million followers. And this one has 345k followers. But neither of these influencers exist in real life. They're entirely AI generated, created by someone who could potentially make tens of thousands of dollars per post. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own realistic AI influencer in just 3 simple steps on Dzine. Let's get started. Before we start, just a quick reminder that this tutorial demonstrates just how easy it is to train a real-life persona using AI. However, it's crucial to follow all relevant laws and avoid generating images of anyone without their consent. To start, we need to provide the AI with reference images of our character. On Dzine, you can train a character with just one single image, but it's best to have multiple images in different poses and expressions to get the most control over your character's look. The first option is to use your own photos. If you already have real-life photos like these ones I took with my phone, you can use them directly. I have removed my messy background to focus more on the character. Another way is to generate a character sheet in realistic style using Dzine. Go to Character and Character Sheet. Select the Dzine realistic style. Enter your character details and describe their appearances. Select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Dzine will generate multiple viewpoints of the same character. And all we have to do is to crop each pose individually and save them for training. What if you only have a single image you really love and have no other angles of that image? Don't worry, I'll share with you a new workflow where you can generate multiple poses and expressions from one single image with Dzine's AI video features. Essentially, we'll create a short video from a single image, then extract frames with different poses. Go to AI video in the project space in Dzine. This time we will select image to video. For video model, there are standard, clean, and minimax to choose from. From my experiment, I found that clean often gives more consistent results, but you can try it yourself. I uploaded the character image I really like here. Here we will enter simple prompts to create motions like she turns around to show her outfit. This prompt will give us enough angles to show her face and her look. For better consistency, increase the relevancy on the imagination slider. 5-second duration should be good, then we can hit generate. I also tried a few more videos with different prompts for more expressions. The variety of poses and expressions in these videos should be enough for effective character training. Next, we will have to extract frames from the resulting video using a video to image tool like EasyGIF. First, we upload the video and then click Convert to JPEG. Then we will see the isolated frames under. For the isolated frames, we will pick a few of the clearer frames for better training quality. Make sure to avoid the blurry ones. Optionally, if the face looks too blurry, but you still really want to use it for some reasons, use Dzine's face swap to reinforce facial features. Upload the image to the canvas, click face swap, and upload the reference face. And this is how we can seamlessly swap the face into the image. We can further use Enhance Image using Portrait Enhance to refine the images and make the face looks more crisp. Finally, gather all your chosen character images in a folder to prep for the next step. Now let's click on the Character tool, click Consistent Character. In the Consistent Character panel, click on Choose a Character. Dzine offers some preset characters that you can use to generate consistent images. You can try using these characters to get a feel of how the tool works. If you click the Edit button on the preset character, you'll see the images they use to train that particular character. The types of images they use are good examples for generating your own training images. Let's add our new character. Give it a name. We can click the info icon to see the requirements and tips on the character images. Basically, the images should maintain the uniform characteristics of the character. High resolution image with no less than 512 pixels in width and height. We can use 1 to 30 images for training. We'll upload the images we just prepared. Click Train to start the training process. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes and we'll come back for it. Now that the character is ready, let's use it to create our images. Once you click the character, you'll notice the default description that captures their main appearance loaded into the text prompt. Keep this default description to reinforce crucial details and maintain consistency across different poses and settings. But feel free to adjust the details there as you see fit. If you remove it by mistake, just click Restore to bring it back. Now, following the default description, let's add an action and a setting. Let's say, walking on the street of New York. Since we're creating an Instagram post, we'll select 1:1 for aspect ratio. No need for seed here, and click Generate. Just by adding different actions and changing the scenes, we can easily put our AI influencer into different scenarios. Although the default prompt always includes the outfit, you can easily change your character's outfit by adjusting it to fit different scenarios. For example, if we want a beach shot, we will update the default description to mention the swimsuit, wearing a stylish yellow swimsuit, and add details like lounging on the beach chair, sipping a margarita at the beach in a high-end resort in Mexico, palm trees and tropical vibe, and generate. This way, we can easily show that perfect influencer lifestyle for the gram. And that's it for today. This is how you can create a realistic AI influencer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.